Hello friends, which Bluehost plan is best? If you are planning to buy Bluehost, you have probably noticed that they have completely changed their entire website. Not only that, they have changed their web hosting plans and they have also introduced lot of new products to help their end users. But if you still search online that which Bluehost plan is best for beginners or for you in 2026, you will find that most YouTube videos still compare the old basic plus Choice Plus plan, but Bluehost now offers starter, business and e-commerce essential plan. So the big question is, which one should you actually buy? In this video, I will explain each plan in simple terms, help you to avoid paying for features that you don't need, and by the end, you will know exactly which Bluehost plan is right for you. So let's get started. So the very first plan is Bluehost starter plan. Now this is Bluehost's most affordable hosting plan and this is perfect for beginners. If you are starting your first blog, portfolio website, personal website or even a small business website, this plan gives you everything you need to get online. You can host up to 10 websites, get 10 GB of fast NVMe storage, a free domain name for the first year, also free SSL, managed WordPress updates and even Bluehost's new AI website builder to help create your site in few minutes. The biggest advantage of this plan is it's affordable. Most new websites won't come close to using all those resources it offers. However, it doesn't include phone support, domain privacy or some of the advanced security features available in the higher plan. So if you are just testing an idea or launching your first website, starter is an excellent choice. But if you are building a serious online business, I would recommend you looking at the next plan. Now let's talk about the Bluehost business plan. And honestly, this is the plan I would recommend to most people. You get support for up to 50 websites, 50 GB of storage, higher traffic capacity, and much better security. Bluehost includes AI-powered malware detection and removal, a web application firewall, DDoS protection, free domain privacy for the first year, and phone support. These may not sound exciting today, but if your website starts making money, you will really appreciate having these features already included. Whether you are a blogger, affiliate marketer, freelancer, agency owner, or running a business website, this plan gives you the best balance between price, performance, and long-term value. For most users, spending a little extra here will well worth it. Finally, we have Bluehost eCommerce Essential. Now this plan is specially designed for people who want to sell online using WooCommerce. Along with everything included in the business plan, you will also get features like secure payment processing, product subscriptions, membership support, online course functionality, affiliate program tools, and social login. If you are planning to launch an online store, sell digital products, or create a membership website, these built-in tools can save you from buying several expensive WooCommerce plugins separate. But if you are not selling anything online, you probably don't need this plan, and business plan will be more than so. Which Bluehost plan is actually the best? If you are launching your very first website and want to keep cost low, go for the starter plan. If you are serious about growing a blog, affiliate website or business, I strongly recommend business plan because it offers the best overall value. And if your goal is to build an online store or WooCommerce website, then e-commerce essential plan is a clear winner. Before you buy any Bluehost plan, make sure to visit our website besthostingcoupons.com or check the video description for the latest deals and offers. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.